Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the team activity notifications on the Enki-Learn to Code application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile section at the lower right corner of the screen, and in the Your Experience section you can find the last option, the settings. Scroll down, and in the notifications section you can find the second option, the team activity. Notify you about teams you create, join or get invited to. And if you want to enable, just click to the next mobile and the letter icon and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.